hate how I can't tell if this is recording or not. Hopefully you can hear me because I don't own a microphone yet, so. Hey guys, how's it going? Take 2 for an intro because my first intro sucked. Hey guys, how's it hanging? Alexis Scott. I've been like kind of freaking out over how to start this vlog because everyone's like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or hey guys, what's up, how you doing? And I don't want to fall into that cliche, which I'm probably gonna end up doing. So instead of saying hey guys, what's up, or hey guys, or you know what, I'm just gonna be like, because I'm cool, I'm hip, I'm in with the times, and we're trying to start our own thing here, I'm on the tube now, and I have to like stand out somehow, so I'm gonna be like, just bear with me, okay, because I'm gonna figure this out. But I'm thinking something along the lines of, how's it hanging? My dudes, how goes it? I know that's probably really bad, but like I said, you just have to bear with me. This is a work in progress. So basically this is just gonna be like what I do during the week. I don't do that much. I am a photographer. I do lifestyle photography, wedding photography, and just kind of working on my editorial stuff, working to work more with models and that type of fun stuff. Another thing that I'm focusing heavily on right now is my weight loss journey. So this isn't a weight loss vlog channel, but that's going to be probably in this a lot. 1, to keep myself accountable, and 2, just because it's part of my life right now. I can do a separate video that like goes deeper into like the details of the weight I'm trying to lose and what exactly my goals are, fitness and health-wise and such. But yeah, this is the beginning of my vlog. So exciting. Just keep in mind, I'm a very boring person. It may sound like I have a fun life, and I like to pretend my life is fun, but really behind the scenes, most of the time I'm sitting here on my computer, or I'm cleaning my house on weeks that I'm not that busy, or sitting around watching YouTube waiting for my husband to come home from work. I'm basically a stay-at-home wife, but no kids, so it has some perks to it. But for now, he's the one that is bringing in most of the money, and probably will always be bringing in most of the money, but he is supporting me to work towards my goals as a photographer, and I'm super thankful for him. And I don't even know if this is still recording. Striving to be a editorial photographer. I mean, that doesn't have to be my main thing. I would love to be able to do that, but I mean, I like doing weddings. Probably my main goal is to be a wedding photographer slash editorial slash fashion photographer. So we'll see how this goes. I just realized that I'm recording from like the most unflattering angle ever. I probably am going to end this peppy and cheery video right here. Tomorrow I don't really have anything set in stone planned. James has the day off, so we'll probably do some random stuff that we need to get done, and I'll edit some photos, probably sit around on Instagram and look for plan for like upcoming lookbooks and shoots. And then I'm also going to be going to my mom's salon and helping her take down her Christmas decorations, which makes me really sad. I hate taking down Christmas decorations. Christmas is my favorite time of the year, so it's like makes me sad knowing that it's gone, but I can kind of still pretend that it's here with my Christmas decorations still up. So who knows how long it's gonna be before I take my own down. We still have like the outside of our house decorated. I'll go to bed hopefully. I bought some supplements that I hope will help me fall asleep. Never had luck with melatonin in the past, but we'll see now that I'm an old lady. And hopefully I'll be peppier because it's not gonna be 2 a.m. But I probably will be even more tired than I am now because I'm going to probably only get like 4 hours of sleep. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Yeah, that's why I called. Oh. Trying to hotbox in here. Oh, whoa, bro.
Look at that food. got it on video.
You think I would have hit them even if I wasn't on video?
Yeah.
So you had to tell me that you were recording?
Yeah, possible.
Those hiccups lasted for literally 30 seconds. Did you hear it? They hurt though.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Ate too much, but it was yummy. Full.
Full. Oh, Jesus. My God.
Hey guys, I just woke up from my nap. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I'm gonna do some work, edit some photos, emails, and edit this video so I can get it posted. Thank you for watching what a photographer does whenever it's her off season and she's not doing much work right now. You know, January is a slow season for photographers. Oh my. Oh my. Okay, but if you're more interested in seeing other things photographers do, I'm going to be posting my process of finding models and booking time for prints and that whole fun process. And I also will be, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, uploading a video about my weight loss and how I plan on going about that in my health journey in general. Alright guys, well, Haggy and I say bye. Say bye, Haggy. Haggy, bye. They both are.